Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to develop a small level websites using Google Sites. So what is the use of it and why we are doing this? Uh, First, it doesn't require any coding language, so anyone can do it. Just you need to drag and drop the things and you can develop your own website. And what is the use of it? So basically there are three basic uses for a teacher to develop a website. First is creating your own personal home page. Like you can see this home page of Professor Subhashis Banerjee, Computer Science Department, IIT Delhi. And you can see there are some basic information about his achievements and his teaching career. And there's another one. So this is different from this one. This is a simple one, and this is a tab one. So you can see there are tabs, and the information is quite in detail. And the second use is you can develop a course homepage so that students can visit that course homepage anytime, anywhere, and get the information about the course. So let me take an example. Just I'm going to click on this, and these are the courses taught by Professor Subhashis. I'm going to click on this one. So you can see this is the course homepage, Introduction to Computer Science, where all the basic information are there. So this is a second basic use of Google site. And the third one which we can use is if you or your department is going to conduct an faculty development program of workshop or any conference, so you can develop a homepage for that using Google site. So this is the third use which we are going to discuss and which you will have to do in this task. So let's see how to develop it in the next part.